Hello friends, today I am going to discuss 10 important MCQ for Mahagenco exam 2023 Assistant Engineer and Junior Engineer on subject thermodynamics. Friends, I have also prepared the MCQ videos on MCQ questions on the thermodynamics. Please watch the previous videos on thermodynamics MCQ and like and subscribe the videos, friends. Okay, now we will move towards the question number 41 of this lecture. Up to 40 I have covered questions in previous video. I have also shared this video on YouTube. Please friends, go to YouTube and watch the videos and like and subscribe to my channel. Now question number 41. What is the question number 41, friends? If all the variables of a stream are independent of time, it is said to be in. See friend, here in the question is given that, what is given here in the question? See friend, here question number 41, here all variables. Which are the variables? Let us suppose variables are the pressure or temperature or velocity are independent on the time, means not depend upon the time. These are not independent on the time. Means what, friend? This is which type of flow? Whether it is steady flow, unsteady flow, uniform flow, closed flow, or constant flow. See friend, when the variables are independent on the time, then the flow is known as steady flow, because the steady state at which all thermodynamic properties has fixed values. Because in steady state, all thermodynamic properties, let us suppose which are the properties? Pressure is a property, temperature is the property, volume is the property, and this property has a fixed value, right? Has a fixed values in steady state. That is, thermodynamic property do not change with time. What is the meaning of that? The thermodynamic property do not change with time, and hence in steady flow all variables are independent of time. Independent on the time. And due to this, the option number A is the correct answer of this question, right? Option number A is the correct answer of this question. Is it correct? What is the example of steady flow or steady state? Example of steady state is sink. What is the sink? The temperature or variable of the sink are independent of the time. Due to this is known as the steady flow. Okay. Now we will move towards the next question. Question number 42. What is the question number 42, friends? Let's move towards the question number 42. See, a control volume refers to, question number 42 is, a control volume refers to. See friend, we have already studied this topic in my previous video. What is meant by open system, what is meant by closed system, then also the open system is known as control volume, closed system is known as control mass. I have already explained this part in my previous video. Please watch the previous video on YouTube. This closed system is known as a control mass. This closed system is known as a control mass, friend. Control mass, and open system is known as control volume, friend. Open system is known as control volume. I have already explained these terms. Control volume. So control volume is a fixed or identifiable region in the space through which fluid flows. What is the control volume? Control volume is a fixed or identifiable region in the space. Fixed or identifiable region. Let us suppose this is the region of the universe. Fixed or from which fluid is flow. Let us suppose this mass of fluid comes inside this region and from this go outside to the region. This is known as a control volume, friend. What is the definition of control volume? Control volume is a fixed identifiable region in a space through which fluid flows. The boundary of control volume is called as control surface, and this boundary of the control volume is known as, friend, control surface. This boundary is known as control surface. Control volume is also known as open system. Control volume is also known as open system. So what are the options given here? A specified region in a space. This is the correct option or correct answer of the given question. Control volume is nothing but, or control volume refers a fixed region in a space. It is not a specified mass and isolated system. This is not correct. Reversible process is also not correct. Closed system is also not correct. So friend, what is the answer of the question number 42? The answer of the question number 42 is a fixed region in a space, which is known as a control volume. Now we will move towards the question number 43. Sorry, friend. 43. What is question number 43? See, friend. Internal energy of a perfect gas. Internal energy of a perfect gas depends upon. Options are given. There are 4 options are given in the question. First option is A. Internal energy of perfect gas depends upon temperature, specific heats, and pressure. Then temperature, specific heats, and enthalpy. The temperature, specific heats, and entropy, and temperature only. See, friend, if we consider, let us suppose, if we consider epsilon represents the energy of one molecule. Energy of one molecule. Let us suppose epsilon we have considered here. Epsilon is energy of one molecule. Then what is epsilon? Epsilon is equal to epsilon rho, epsilon trans means transition, trans plus, then plus epsilon rotational energy, translation energy, rotational energy, and it is the summation of all types of energy. All types of rotational plus then vibration energy also taken into consideration. Vibration, similarly, which type of energy also consider? Chemical energy also consider here. Chemical energy, fine. Plus epsilon nuclear. So all types of energy, summation of all types of energy is the epsilon. So epsilon is now represent the energy of one molecule, friend. Now let us suppose there are n number of molecules in the system. Then the total internal energy U is equal to, what will be the formula for total energy for all molecules? N is nothing but the total number of molecules multiplied by epsilon. What is the epsilon? Epsilon is the summation of all types of energies. Now, for ideal gas or perfect gas, there are no intermolecular force of attraction and repulsion, and the internal energy depends only upon the temperature. What is meant by ideal gas or perfect gas, friend? Ideal gas or perfect gas, there are no intermolecular attraction or forces of attraction and repulsion, and internal energy is a function of only temperature. Therefore, internal energy is only function of temperature for perfect gas. So, due to this, the option number D is correct answer of this question. Question number 43. What is the answer of question number 43? The internal energy of a perfect gas is depend upon temperature only. Is it correct, friend? Yes. You can keep in mind this term. This is the relation between internal energy and temperature. Internal energy is a function of temperature for perfect gas. Because in perfect gas, there is no molecule attraction, or there is no molecular intermolecular force of attraction and repulsions. Now we will move towards the question number 44. What is the question number 44, friend? In a reversible polytropic process, see what is meant by reversible means what? Initial state and final state become same at a particular time. And polytropic means polytropic index PV raised to n is equal to constant. Here P is pressure, V is the volume, and L is the polytropic index. L is the polytropic index of compression and expansion. So reversible process means what, friend? Slow process or quasi-static process. What are the options here, friend? See, in reversible polytropic process, true heat transfer occur. This is the correct answer. True heat transfer occur. What is the B? Option number B. The entropy remains constant, friend. This is known as isentropic process. When entropy remains constant, S1 is equal to S2, then this process is known as isentropic process. This is not a polytropic process. Due to this option number B is not the answer of this question. Now, what about option number C? This is isenthalpic process, which is also known as throttling process. Friend, option number C is the throttling process. H1 is equal to H1 is equal to H2, means enthalpy is same. So due to this, option number 3 is not the correct answer of this question. This is isenthalpy process. The one also it is also known as throttling process. Option B is nothing but a isentropic process. The internal energy remains constant. This is also not the option of the question. And temperature remains constant. This is known as a isothermal process. This is known as isothermal process. So correct answer is option number A. What is the option number A, friend? True heat transfer occur in reversible polytropic process. So question number 44, the option number A is correct for question number 44, friend. Now we will move towards the question number 45. What is the question number 45, friend? An isentropic process is always, options are irreversible and adiabatic. Option number A is irreversible and adiabatic. Option number B is reversible and isothermal. Option number C is frictionless. Option number D is reversible and adiabatic. And option number E, none of the above. So what is the answer of the question number 45, friend? An isentropic process is always reversible and adiabatic. The option number D is the correct answer of this question. In thermodynamics, an isentropic process is an idealized thermodynamic process that is both adiabatic and reversible. The work transfer of the system are frictionless, and there is no transfer of heat or matter. And due to this isentropic process is reversible and adiabatic. So option number D is correct answer of this question number 45. Now we will move towards the question number 46, friend. What is the question number 46? The net work done per kg of gas in a polytropic process is equal to, see friend, the net work done per kg of gas in polytropic process is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by N minus 1. This is the correct answer. D is the correct answer of this question, friend. Because in polytropic process, what is the relation of for polytropic process? P V raised to N is equal to constant. Is equal to constant. Work done is equal to what, friend? Work done is equal to integration from 1 to 2 PV raised to constant. PV raised to constant. So what is the integration of this? W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by N minus 1. Here P1 is pressure, V1 is volume, N is polytropic index, N is polytropic index minus 1. So this is the correct answer, friend. What is the correct answer? P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by N minus 1. Now we will move towards the question number 47. What is the question number 47, friend? Just a minute. Question number 47. Steady flow process or steady flow occurs when, option number A, conditions do not change with time at any point. B, conditions are the same at adjacent point at instant. C, conditions change steadily with time. And D, minus delta V by delta T is constant. So I have already explained this point in question number, I think, 41. What is mean by steady flow? Steady flow means, for friend, condition do not change with time at any point. So this is the correct option. Option number A is the correct answer of option number 47. Steady flow process occur when conditions do not change with time at any point. Now we will move towards the question number 48, friends. What is the question number 48? Question number 48 is reversible process require that. These are the options given here. What are the options? Option number A, there is no heat transfer. What is before going to this question, friend, we must have to know what is the reversible process. So when the process can be made to take place in such a manner that it can reverse, that is made to return to its original state without the final change in either the system or its surrounding, and it's said to be reversible. It's said to be reversible in any actual flow of fluid or change in mechanical system. The effect of viscous friction, Coulomb friction, unrestricted friction, hysteresis, etc. prohibit the process from being reversible. So what is the option, friend, here? For question number 48, the reversible process require there be no viscous or Coulomb friction in the system. So option number D is the correct answer here. Now question number 49, the first law of thermodynamics for steady flow. See, first law is deal with energy entering and leaving the control volume. So option number A is the correct answer, friend, here. Now question number 50. What is the question number 50, friends? The characteristics equation of the gases PV is equal to MRT holds good for. See, friend, this PV is equal to MRT is also known as a, this PV is equal to MRT is also known as a ideal gas equation, friend. What is the PV is equal to MRT here? P is pressure, V is volume, M is mass, R is gas constant, universal gas constant, and T is the temperature. See, this friend, V is equal to MRT is hold good for ideal gas. This is known as ideal gas equation, but there is no such type of gas available in the universe. Just we have assumed for the theoretical purpose, ideal gas. So, friend, and then another condition, if we change P as a P plus an square a n square for real gas, friend. This is the relation for real gas into V minus ENB. So this is the change for real gas, friend. P changes from P to P plus an square, and V changes to V minus ENB. For this is for real gas, friend, where A is a constant for attraction between molecules in the gas. A is what is meant by A, friend? A is the constant for attraction between molecules in the gas. And now what is the B? B is also volume those molecules take up inside the container. So this equation is become hold good for the real gas, friend. This is for real gas. This is for a real gas. Real gas, and this is for ideal gas. So answer number D is correct here, friend. The characteristics equation of gases P is equal to MRT hold good for the ideal gases. So this is the answer for question number 50, friends. These are the questions, friend, I have taken from the reference book Mechanical Engineering by R.K. Rajput. Thank you for watching and giving a very good response to my channel, friend. Thank you. We are going to stop here today. Okay, friend. Bye.